say, next life is not all about, you know me I say, material and fame and money. Check it. We have greater elements that surround life that is more valuable than that, you know me I say. Life is all about patience and faithfulness and endurance and a clean heart, and a clear conscience and a firm meditation towards Mount Zion. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. Rastafari is the Almighty. Yo! Critics don't leave I alone. So them can't take the fire when they put fire on. Critics don't leave I alone. It wasn't I alone who chose the stone. Critics don't leave I alone. But still a man conquerable shot in them danger zone. Critics don't leave I alone. No. Wanna watch out? Well, you go on them wrong news. Come me find out the whole lot them confused. I did the rockety road. None of them go choose. None of them go gamble with them life and lose. Fund the whole of them cause them not stop confused. Them use and abuse and then them refuse. Can't beg me no pardon or have no excuse. Everything no level, everything no smooth. Yo! Critics don't leave I alone. Say them can't take the fire when they put fire on. Critics don't leave I alone. It wasn't I alone who chose the stone. Critics don't leave I alone. But still a man conquer every shot in them danger zone. Critics don't leave I alone. No, yo. Me say catch this a one up on the 7 o'clock news. Kremlin and White House me just blow them views. United Nation me have them confused. Buckingham Palace say the whole of them lose. Scotland Yard the whole of them start refuse. The dragon can't sparks cause him fire confused. The bear barefooted and know him can't wear no shoes. The eagle broke him cannot fly and cry. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Everywhere you walk, me and next life get take. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Emperor Selassie say people stand back. Will sharp shooter, tell me you a shot up, be a people you murder. Stop make marrow, fly like bird, yeah. No shoot down no man, I left him call you a nerd, yeah. So you shoot past straight, and you shoot round curve, yeah. What's the man I tell you fi taking them word, yeah. Cut out the killing and make you go further. Empty spent shell, dash a gunpowder. Now tell me you stink like powder. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Anywhere you walk, me here and next life you take. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Everywhere you walk, hey, you can't blow a breath, but a life you a take. Please stop and check the next life where you wreck. You kill the man and left him baby pambress. It's a very lost time, people don't know who next. Badness don't pay, so I get you feel it. Enough you to make a follow in your footstep. Stop from tube, stop from tube. Talk out to Tony, me talk out to Jeff. The King 10 commandment, they want to know curve. Hey, stop going like that, who know that when they talk. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Everywhere you walk, me here and next life get take. Watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Everywhere you, hey, next life you badness spoil up enough youth motivation. All them go to school and get them education. Graduate from school and go turn bad man. To them lose them pride, them ambition. Want and natty, hands and no hand. Don't be that no bad man live long. No for them straight, them have a meditation. Every day mama run down police station. Just to her son get sentence for young. Me or she go visit Obia man. But that watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. What you talking about?
You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. Yeah. Look but don't touch. Go and seek and you shall find. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. What is yours, and what is mine. If you don't have nothing good to say, just keep your mouth closed. Who are you to come stand in my way, and what you're trying to expose? You're trying to know if any secret, so you can go about and reveal it. Spreading rumors and propaganda with my name over yonder. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. Yeah. Look but don't touch. Go and seek and you shall find. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. What is yours, and what is mine. Touch not and remember that I'm not a warrior, but I am a defender. Judge not, you better stop your bad ways and your dirty character. So you carry go and so you bring it come. Go and seek knowledge and wisdom, because I don't need no disturbance. No chatty, watchy, you're talking too much and disturbing my mind. Yeah. Look but don't touch. Go and seek and you shall find. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. What is yours, and what is mine. You're talking too much. Just keep by your mouth, Just keep by your mouth, If you don't have nothing good to say, just keep your mouth closed. Who are you to come stand in my way, and what you're trying to expose? You're trying to know if any secret, so you can go about and reveal it. Spreading rumors and propaganda with my name over yonder. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. Yeah. Look but don't touch. Go and seek and you shall find. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind. What is yours, and what is mine. You're talking too much and disturbing my mind.
Yeah. Things I took her through.
Look but
should have lasted this long.
Go and seek and
now I'm at the telephone.
You're talking too much and disturbing.
Cause when a woman's fed up, no matter how you beg, there ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh no, it's like running out of love. No matter what you say, it is too late to talk about it. Let's talk about all it goes down. I used to make love to you daily when the night fell the same. And any time that you were hurt, I could feel your pain. And if I have $1, it was your share. And any time that we were out, I was from the bills. But now the harp is down and the silence is down. I heard you too many times. Now I can't come around. Cause when a woman's fed up, no matter how you beg, there ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh no, yeah. It's like running out of love. No matter what you say, it is too late to talk about it. Oh yeah. La da 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 da. It's too late to talk about it, baby. Now I can't come around. No. If you don't wanna find out the hard way, just listen to the song. Listen to the record. While the record plays. Cause when when a woman fed up. No matter how you beg, there ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh no, it's like running out of love. No matter what you say, it is too late to talk about it. Oh yeah. Cause when a woman fed up, no matter how you beg, there ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh no, it's like running out of love. No matter what you say, oh yeah, it's too late to talk about it. Too late. Oh no, no. When a woman's fed up, when a woman's fed up, it is too late to talk about it. No diamond ring ain't gonna get you back, baby. No way.
Here we go. Watch me.
Open your eyes and let me see what's inside. Is it the love for me? Tell me right now, you love me forevermore. Bring your body home to me. Just bring it all home to me.
Bring it go.
Your sweet, sweet love.
To the maximum.
Bring it all home to me.
Bring it go.
I don't think anybody could love you like I do.
All of my chat, girl, me love you to the max. You alone in my life, me love you and me can't stop. Put your Banton on the mic, cream of the crop. Look how she sexy, look how she fat. Go and tell the world, me nah go take back me chat. Cry for your body, me I tell it to your pot. Me I'll bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Cry for your body, I want a can't done. Bring your body come, woman, bring it come. Scream for your body to the maximum.
Bring your body home to me. Bring it right now. Bring it all home to me. Show sweet, sweet loving. Just bring it all home to me. Nobody can love you like I do. Bring it home to me. Your hugging and kissing. Bring it all home to me right now.
Bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Scream for your body to the maximum. You see your smile and your flawless physique. Them the two things that make the button get weak, girl. You see your waist and your personality. Boy, woman, it don't stop mad me. If it tell you the truth, you have me in a circle. To the little mother man, your body a work miracle. Cause you I love and not another. But you may change your love, but would you be will never. So me say bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Cry for your body, I want a can't done. Bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Scream for your body, I want a can't done.
Your hugging and kisses, bring it all on to me right now, right here. Oh girl, let's go inside. Turn down the lights. Let's make love all night through till the end of time. I hope you are fine. You'll be mine, no mine. Let's make love the whole night through. Bring your body home to me. Bring it home to me. Your hugging and kisses. Let's bring it all home to me right now, baby. Yeah.
Love you, girl, me love you, put you love you to the max. Love you more than push love butter. Put you love you more than rubber. Love them that now. Want you more than dry peas, one fire. We say, me a talk, no one dance line. And me all bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Cry for your body to the maximum. Bring your body come, girl, bring it come. Scream for your body, I want a can't done, a can't done.
Rest all over. I wanna give you all my tender love. Let me hold you in my arms and give you all my charms. I want you to bring
your body worth more than money, more than diamond and more than pearl. All the girls, give me now.
Watch out. Woman, when you get your body, make your body it's so good. The body when you have the music about. Who that when you get your body, make your body it's so good. The body when you have the music about. Who that who you come here for your music come here for. Me if I know other man can't get you pa. They you sweeter than a milk woman, you sweet than me if a woman, your body worth more than more. Me if a more than diamond, more than Burley prettiest a woman never see in a the world. And when you get your body, make your body it's a good. The body when you have the music about. Who that when you get your body, make your body it's a good. The body when you have the music about. Good. One woman you know say that do anything with this so girl must get. Boo you meet her she a come she a fit and back. You for her she a do she can't walk in a you. Show you spend the year calling but the choosing is you someone love for you and you run the bed. You the lane and the street and so the abbey. You are anywhere you go and just respect. You are when you get your body make your body it's a good. The body when you have the music about. Who that when you get your body make your body it's a good. The body when you have the music about. Good. Love how you move, love how you program your sexy body use and a man. Man when you part me feel it vibration. Woman your perfume it has one roll up your hand call you a champ. Can you come first and every girl come say can when you get your body make your body it's a good. The body when you drive is on fire. Here we go. Watch me. Y'all bring your body come, y'all bring it come. I feel your body to the maximum. Bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Scream for your body, I want a candle. The amount of tears me shed, coulda full of jump on. Scream for your body 24/7. Bring your body to me, no get to no other man. Me want you more than how the queen wants Solomon. Me all bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Cry for your body to the maximum. Bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Scream for your body, I want a candle. All my chat, girl me love you to the max. You alone in my life, me love you and me can't stop. Put your butt up on the mic, cream of the crap. Look how she sexy, look how she fat. So I tell the world me nah go take back me chat. Cry for your body, me I tell it to your pot. Me I'll bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Cry for your body, I want a candle. Bring your body come, woman bring it come. Scream for your body to the maximum. If you pass me 3 times, you make me heart skip a beat. Me no stop rock, hands stop bite me feet. You know one dance, you know what me one can do it. All the talk, them attack, you know them must have to retreat. Cry for your body, and this is not only speech. Want your body, girl, you make me feel weak. Anytime you see you want me heart skip a beat, me try bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Cry for your body, I want a candle. Bring your body come, y'all bring it come. Scream for your body to the maximum. You see your smile and your flawless physique. Them the two things that make the Banton get weak, gal. You see your waist and your personality. Oh, woman, it don't stop mad me. Fi tell you the truth, you have me in a circle. To the little madam on your body, I work miracle. Cause you I love and not another. But you may change the love, but Buju be will never. So me say bring your body come, gal, bring it come. Life in your body, I want a girl done. Oh, now, baby. Please, oh please, accept my apology. Baby, I'm down on my bended knees. Please, oh please, accept my apologies, darling. You open your heart and let this love remain. Now I know that I must have hurt you, my love. But please forgive me, cause it's you I really love. Everybody makes a mistake nowadays. Oh, I'm so sorry now that I made mine. Please, oh please, accept my apologies, darling. Baby, I'm down on my bended knees. Please, oh please, accept my apology, yes. You open your heart, let this love remain, yes. Oh, now, sweet baby, whoa. It seems that you must have found someone new.
Oh, I can tell about the things you say and do. I know that I must have broken your heart, baby. Oh, but forgive me and give my love a chance, please. Oh, please accept my apologies, oh, baby. Baby, I'm down on my bended knees. Please, oh, please accept my apologies, baby. Open your heart and let this love remain in, baby. Can't you see that I'm sorry? Oh, and you must forgive me for the wrong I've done. Without your love, I'm just no good. Oh, baby, see now, hey. Well, I know that I must have hurt you, my love. But please forgive me, cause it's you I really love. Everybody makes a mistake now and then. Oh, I'm so sorry now that I made mine. Please, oh please accept my apologies, darling. Oh baby, I'm down on my bended knees. Please, oh please accept my apologies. You open your heart and let this lover man, let your lover man, please, oh please accept my apologies, baby. Baby, I'm down on my bended knees. Please, oh please accept my apologies, darling. You open your heart and you why would you let me in? I'm singing, baby. It seems that you must have found someone.
Shut the heck up. None of mercy. Well down in the ghetto where the poor now have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. Down in the ghetto where the poor now have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. My pocket is weak, my heart is willing. I want a pound of rice but can't find a shilling. Can't buy the chicken back, much less the chicken. Turn left and right and his gunshot a fling. Everywhere me go is wicked song them a sing. No hear me no queens and hear me no kings. All over this world local and foreign. Black and white me now prejudice skin. Hear me Mr. Lou, Mr. Wang and Mr. Chin. To kill another man what good does that bring? I feel it so much chill cold bomb take me skin. Me head start to hurt me and me eyes them a spin. Down in the ghetto where the poor have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring, hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. Who give the gun, no give the cock, no man to take the blame. And now who impose the guns and cocaine. And now we no kill the ghetto youth range and mobilize them in the blood sport game. Say if you want to rich, you have to kill Shane. And wicked enough to kill him, Madam Miss Jane. Make them say you are the wickedest man pon the lane. And if you want to respect, feel long like a train. Well you better make shot fall like a rain. You want to put one foot on them Concorde plane. You better sell 20 kilo of cocaine. Down in the ghetto where the poor now have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. You know them release the chain and I use them brains. Well I am a man I believe you're the same.
I say police and thief, watch them a fight out the street every day. Up here, but bye war out the east. So wicked man and retreat. Police and thief, watch them a fight out the street every day. Up here, but bye war out the east. Say gangster and retreat. Hold it down, cool it off. Too much life lost without a good cause. Of innocent youth get sentenced and gone behind bars. Show me your company and me tell you oh your heart and wicked man overnight. But you a gangster as far. One funny move on sight of the radio car. Them say I stole the cookie missile from the cookie jar. Yeah you stay there up upon a ball. The judge and the jury quite tell you better call. Police and thief, watch them a fight out the street every day. Up here but bye war out the east. Say road boy and retreat. Police and thief, watch them a fight out the east every day. Up here, bye 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 war out the east. Say gangsta na retreat. It's like in the days of the wild old west. Well, big mouth special man that up on the vest. For a daily hustling and him say dollars of him making him no eat from morning. While squalor text set from Mr. Chin compound. Go make a one flex. Inside up the chip up him up and say yes. 16 come out and lick out the boy chest. I all the undertaker and make him do the rest. Familiar weep and moan your poor mama she a fret. Police and thief, but them a fight out the street every day. Up here, bye 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 war out the east. The wicked man a retreat. Police and thief, but them a fight out the street every day. Up here, bye 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 war out the east. The youngster na retreat. Let the sun down, sun my way. On my knees every day until Jah will pray. The sun down, sun my way. On my knees every day until Jah will pray. What are we fighting for? Because the war is like gonna figure that I must have got to rule over all. A long time Jah to him a call. Wanna go on like the ace is like a stone wall. Black people, remember the great Jericho wall. Oh, we did fall. Two Jah did vex. So all Babylonian and the Jah must fall.
Wave them, wave them. Who no borrow from? Wave them. Let me see the rock. Wave them. And in the air. Wave them, wave them, wave them. When me say, and in the air and wave them. Cali, you know have no man problem. From the day you born, you are mad them. Cali, your body good and you no condom. Man, I buy your Benz and you run them. You have you one man and you no want them. And everything where you have you man buy them. And you expensive clothes with a pressure them. Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them. Who no borrow man? Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them. When me say wave you want them, I up in the air. Clothes and shoes, you have them in a pair. Love girl a chat, you know mind them, me dear. Now matter them appear, the clothes you wear. $1,000 fit the style in your hair. When you touch road, you want them worst nightmare. When them a go do fi try stop you this year. Can't hold the back, so just broke out me dear. From you know say people close you know wear. Make me see the rock them up in the air and wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them. Rock in the air, wave them. And you never run, wave them. And you no catch a yo, wave them, wave them, wave them. When me say, if you know say you don't wear a girl frock, put you one in and you jump around and clap. Ever ready, ever hot, so you them can't flap. You not take nobody man, so you them can't chat. From you know say people yard you no catch, and you know say you sure about that. And your man love you but no stop. Request your back with the rock them in the ear straight up to the max. Wave them,
just to get one touch from you while you were teasing, playing, hiding. Girl, you played me like a fool. You tell me I'm to call you on the phone, but honey, you were never at home. You had me sitting there on a shelf, so I took my loving somewhere else. So why you a flip up? Why you a flop up? Cause I have found a new girlfriend. Not because, but still for all you wouldn't give me none. Oh my, why you a flip up? Why you a flop up? Cause I have found a new girlfriend. Not because, but still for all you wouldn't give me none. Girl, I sent candy, roses, diamonds, and you took them all from me. So I thought you would squeeze me, love me, but you said, wait, baby, please. Baby, love with you I couldn't win. I saw another girl decide to let me in. I'm a man who has to feel my needs. I got tired of begging your peace. So why you a flip up? Why you a flop up? Cause I have found a new girlfriend. Not because, but still for all you would give me none. Oh my, why you a flip up? Why you a flop up? Cause I have found a new girlfriend. Not because, but still for all you would give me none. Oh my.
Listen, say whatever it takes to get to you, whatever it takes to have you in my arms again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. have to use my charm again. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can't swim no 7 seas or climb upon the highest mountain. Give you my heart with love, it's flowing like the purest fountain. Like a driver's license when it's old, it can't be renewed. Something to hold on. So whatever it takes to get to you, whatever it takes to have you in my arms again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Only you can bring out the best in me. So I gotta get it if I have to use my charm again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't afford to make mistakes like I've made before. Back in the past, they were the ones that made you walk through the door. I'm gonna take it real easy, nice and slow. Baby, baby, so whatever it takes to get to you, whatever it takes to have you in my arms again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Only you can bring out the best in me. So I gotta get it if I have to use my charm again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Garnett is a weakness and shocking vibes too. No fantasy loving, this is for you. So whatever it takes to get to you, whatever it takes to have you in my arms again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Only you can bring out the best in me. So I gotta get you if I have to use my charm again. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can't swim no
I said,
7
bad,
seas.
bad, bad, bad news. Oh, yeah. I'm coming home from a hard day's work now.
Need some good meditation.
Don't need no stress to come and rattle my brains now. Oh. It's bad enough that the pay ain't working out, but I was dealing with a matter till you came about and cramped my vibes. I want you to know when I see you, I see bad news coming. Oh yeah, and I wanna hide 'cause I see bad news coming. Yeah, immediately I get nervous, wondering if you got any hope. Like I'm in a circus, got me walking the tightrope every day, every day, every day, every day. Another day, another hard luck story. Oh yeah. And just like Saul, where is your mercy? It's bad enough that my woman is tripping out. Oh God, got so much things I don't want to talk about, but you think you're so dope. So when I see you, I see sad news coming. Oh God, I wanna hide 'cause I see bad news coming. Yes, immediately I get nervous, wondering if you got any hope. Like I'm in a circus, you got me walking the tightrope every day, every day, every day, every day. Yes. I see bad news, yeah. Whenever I see you, oh yeah. I'm coming home from a hard day's work now.
Need some good meditation.
Don't need no stress to come and rattle my brains now. Hey. Bad enough that the pay ain't working out, but I was dealing with the matter till you came about and cramped my vibes. I want you to know when I see you, I see bad news coming. Oh
Dusty Ann, Anthony B and the Star Child family. Aye. It's a heavy load, but we have to carry it, 'cause we a travel ja road. See the wicked a come, but we nah no fear. Jah is always there. Who know her? It's a heavy load, but we have to carry it, 'cause we a travel ja road. Babylon and a come, but we nah no fear. Jah is always there. Well, for you put on your covenant to help Jah carry the cross. Nobody bow and put it down at the pass. Stand up firm and bear your task, and your soul won't last. Highly high, we are chat through the rocky water. Show us mercy, give us shelter, so we can dwell forever, standing firm underneath His banner. Oh dear, my plea, I'm down on my knee. Holy Judge's church is on, so I and I could sing my song. I say it's a heavy load, but we have to carry it, 'cause we a travel ja road. See the wicked a come, but we nah no fear. Jah is always there. Who know her? It's a heavy load, but we have to carry it, 'cause we a travel ja road. Babylon a come, but we nah no fear. Jah is always there. When me tell them Jah gonna sink all the wicked and Pharisees, like him no fear I'm in a the Red Seas. When we all on no wickedness us, fly like a butterfly, sting like a beast. Oh, Israelite overstand, Lord. You have to grow your covenant, so when Jah pass through Babylon, it will be your identification, me sang. Just soldiers of carry your word. Anthony B, Sizzla, Louie culture. The Beres, Lara.
We're the tour, you know.
Where the dollar tell the people?
Rolling Stone, you don't know us.
I know go fair to let the world know we are us.
So with my boat set a sail, I have my compass.
Yes, me don't need a gear when I stop press gas. And I want all of my one like the message them no want me. No with the water of life we come to strengthen the plan. And I want
obstacles in our way, but we stop with them can't.
Things are I return, but I'm on more than advance.
Life is like a jigsaw puzzle, and there's so many pieces. We change every day, we don't stumble, while on our way to the heat.
stronger than a lion, firmer than a rock.
I am heading home to Zion, there's no turning back.
I know, bigger than Gibraltar flat.
No one but Tanto can guide my head back.
Like a fire, so we hot on a blaze.
Yeah, we've been traveling through the air.
Breathing out through the page.
Now you got the mountain fighting cause a Rasta man a ray.
And I want
Out of my one like the message them no want me.
with the water of life, we come to strengthen the plan. And I want
Obstacles in our way, but we stop with them gone. Them things say I return, but I'm on more than advance.
Into the flames of fire, there to be a Daniel and never retire. I charge every day, I'll be stronger. Journey into
Boy, you see, step aside and welcome and smuggle. You flip all the wise, but I drag at the angle. And all your evil words to the surface, they rumble. Yes, I'm all angle. Oh, yes, I'm all angle.
I tell them, say we are bonfire all in a the Pope Palace. Every morning we have to blaze with chalice. See the Rasta man them have to put away malice. Say Babylon them a target.
No, I tell Babylon, say no run no more. Remember what the carpet said to the floor. Just got you covered and this time you can't move for sure. And you're wrong, figure knock the wrong door.
Excuse me and welcome, easy there. And me the fire make me fling it from fair. You know tell your time to make them catch egg.
all over the so and here so.
And I want
all them a go like the message them no want me.
I want
so with the water of life we come to strengthen the plant.
And I want
obstacles in all the way, but the stuff was taken.
I want
Things are I return, but I'm on more than advance. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Life is like a jigsaw puzzle, and there's so many pieces.
Throwing that Babylon words is so corrupt. They must bite the dust. Unto the Malvo Prince and Tanto for the kids. Malvo! Never will I. So wait, black people are now wise up. Full time now for wise up and get conscious. Knowing that Babylon words is so corrupt. They must bite the dust. Unto the Malvo Prince and Tanto for the kids. Malvo! Never will I believe a word they say. No way, y'all. Never will I, no, believe a word they say. Pot of a fire, you know. Promise a lie, coulda never help us. Wrong interpretation confuse us. Just because they think we're weak and needy, come with their tricks, trying to be greedy. I take all my shield and buckler. As some men know, I said the wicked couldn't conquer. No ask no question, we no one of us answer. No. Dreadlocks, tell them no blame it and we not no authority. And now we bring in the gun movie, bring in all the politics and separate we in a tree. That a feed the history. Whoa, long time Marcus Garvey did prophesy. So him a go show the false leader to why. No for them a wonder, no for them a cry. Now stop praise Selassie I. So never will I believe a word they say. Don't scale is talking. Never will I keep on telling those lies. Believe a word they say. I'm calling on the youths today. Don't let them lead you with that tricky way. No way, better beware of the dragon out there, cause they set their traps out there. So teach the youths them how to live. Teach them how to strive. Teach them how to share and give, so they can see your bright way. Oh yeah. And when me feel the pressure, me have to stop and wonder what kind of blood in a me black brother. And from every corner, Lucifer take over. Every youth a move like Lone Ranger. If you slip your life, it turn over. Hands on your what you have to give that to Jaja. No follow politician, then me put you down under. So Malvo Triller Prince and make me utter. Never will I believe a word. No way, yo. Tricks and politics. Never will I, no, believe a word. Who them want to be?
This is the NIC. And you wanna know what? You wanna know what? Yes, we get stronger. God give us the powers to conquer. Oh Lord, boy, stronger. The mountain is high, but we get over. Oh Lord, boy. Rastaman a look with food all in a desolate place. Heart of pickling for food go in a your plate. Rastaman rock them all a try fi erase. You will never live to see a bubble you turn base. Ja work with the fun, we no in a rat race. Me no only come to the business, see a slice of the cake. Me brothers and me sister them me come fi educate. Black kings and queens get up fi repatriate. Because we stronger. Ja give us the powers to conquer. Oh Lord, boy, stronger. The mountain is high, but we get over. Oh Lord, boy, Jah is my shelter and my protector, is my defender and my savior. Him give I the strength and power. I call to the Lord for help my plea. I will bring all my complaint to thee. To the most I answer my prayer. Babylon couldn't trap I. Them a work hard to stop the fire. That's why them a fight I, but we get stronger. Jah give us the powers to conquer. Oh Lord, boy, stronger. The mountain is high, but we get over. Oh Lord, boy,
them a go tired. Busy we face, can't get me out of the race. God the boy you done set me pace. And me burn down them days, spring fire in the place. Everyone run pon the fire case. But see them a come, see them a come. And Jaja make me get over. Fire go burn, and you whisper them done. To me real life, wanna burn like lava. Stronger, Jah give us the powers to conquer. Oh Lord, boy, stronger. The mountain is high, but we get over. Oh Lord, boy, Rastaman a look with food all in a desolate place. Heart of picking for food go in a your plate. Rastaman works them all a try fi erase. You will never live to see a popo you turn base. Jah work to the pan, we no in a rat race. We no only come in the business, see a slice of the cake. Me brothers and me sister them me come fi educate. Black kings and queen, you're up every party. Because we stronger. Jah give us the powers to conquer. Oh Lord, boy, stronger. The mountain is high, but we get over.
No of them well, but yet no purpose. Well, they bring the fire burn all poor and rich. Them now for no say it would have come down to this. Babylon give them a right, feed them money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. Babylon give them a right, for the money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. We tell them say this redder than red. The way how this red and be and blood and run red. Go tell them revolution a swing over them head. For all vampire, this a one ya higher peg. Marcus Garvey did, don't come said the man you well said. The liberty Italy kill like sledge. You want principle King Selassie and the head. And Emperor Selassie have the vision and the meds we see. You and the all that lie down in a bed. Sharing defilements all with he dead. The youths them work more than money and bread. Hear them press amiga, tell them glory is the spread. We just come out of this loop, gun dead. Babylon give you a right, feed the money, get your funny, and then brainwash you on the western journey. Babylon give you a right, feed your money, get your funny, and then brainwash you on the western journey. We tell you say, shoulda know we buy now, so we terrible. Watch out, make we bust them head like buckle. What's the backyard in a the deck where you a shuffle? We want go and we hardly got the chain and chuckle. King Selassie said the revolution of happen. You are the one to order instead diamond nickel. Fornication, them all arise upon the double. Abomination, me come slow with the triple I. You black woman, just know yourself in a the puzzle. Now come do nothing wrong, now come round, you come hustle. And every this and that you must make jump in your miggle. Now turn them back and not take them wiggle. I chat bout fi cool, but them judgment a trickle. The living trumpet, this and no float nor figgle. You kill get to youth, you miserable. Babylon give them a right, feed them money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. Babylon give them a right, for the money, get you funny, then brainwash them on them western journey. We tell you say, this you will not cause pain. Try reach will level you drop off and strain. Appointed under 90, get to youths them ordained. Me stepping up the youths and if you stop work fee fame. Words without works can't sustain. And King Selassie say if you tell you this one a no game. Stop calling Emperor Selassie name in a vain. Babylon give you a ride, for the money get you funny, and then brainwash you on them western journey. Babylon give you a ride, for the money get you funny, and then brainwash you on them western journey. Me tell you say, this a redder than red. Do we own this red? That be a brother run red. Go tell them revolution.
Oh well, yeah. A word without end, yeah. Hypocritical system, it a cause a problem. Gibbons, a word without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it a cause a problem. Well, strangers on the shore want to sabotage I and I. Oh well, but I'm protected by the Almighty, yeah. No matter what they do or they try, oh yes, I'm the chosen one so they can't stop mine. Oh, cause the word without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it a cause a problem. Gibbons, a word without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it a cause a problem. Well, now the
wicked come rapping at my door. Oh yes, they say about me, they want to hear no more, no. But let me tell you this, my friend, your evil's work has come to its end, and righteousness will prevail for righteous men, yes. A world without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it has caused a problem. Gibbons, a world without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it has caused a problem. Gibbons, I'm a little bit to fight them fight. They don't want time to see the light. They fall every time them come to take a bite, yeah. He has led me to a brighter day. He will never let me stray. The Father words I will always obey. A word without end, yeah. The hypocritical system, it has caused the problem. Gibbons, a word.
Why seek what is mine? Just make it to the east. Salvation and desperate. Well read, positively clear. The people in the world keep forgetting them past and them gone astray. Some may burn them every day. That them no love conspiracies and talk and never fail. Positively clear. The people in the world are lost for them top class. Never way. Think you're actually there. You two you go back and you a snake in the grass. Me and the youths are trying one away. Melchizedek way, yeah. So if you see me and the youth, I'm treading through the earth. We have to tread it King Selassie way. Yeah, yeah, treading this one away. Have to tread it one away, yeah, yeah. Them send 50, 60, 70 pagan. Me slew them off in space and one day. Well then, you see, the people in the west, the one of them gone crazy. Love to big up them chest, yet them they in a slavery. Them can't yam no food without no money. So foolish is the man in fruitful Zion, yet them hungry. I tell you, Steffi, cleanse your ways, clean up your heart, get to you. No bother guys, me say, oh no fuss this heart. Babylon a speak soul and heart. Them don't get them peace and no heart to walk. That's why me come to try it one away. Melchizedek way, yeah. So if you sing on the youth, I'm treading through the earth, me treading King Selassie way. Well then, you see, the Prime Ministers know what I go along. And them sell out the youths to the Queen of England. The whole of them happy bow when them see me turban. Me drop every authority if I be wrong. Melchizedek, hard and never yet wrong. Come we chanting, I bring it for the black redemption. Wanna careful of your words and the food where you and yam. From the youths grow them with that organization. So boil, better fulfill centralization. And Emperor Selassie is an Ethiopian reign in the heart and flesh. From Mount Zion me come for every Israelite. Out of Babylon show me who will step out for repatriation. No cut no more, tote no bother, kill no younger one. So rise and take the stand, you better know if you walk. Selassie is the almighty man, confuse not your heart. Them side me turban, conspiracies are talk. Emmanuel so watch out because him a go right. We have to throw this one away. That's the first and only way. Hey, so if you see I and the youths them treading through that king
unto the Father I will pray. Yeah, yeah. To Jah I pray, and I will never be ungrateful to praise anyone else. To Jah I pray. Each and every man should have known themselves. To Jah I pray, thanking him for the greatest gift, which is my life. When I was in the dark, you showed me the light. When I was doing wrong, you showed me the right. And he said, fret not thyself of evildoers. Oh no, who seek to destroy my soul, and no escape for the iniquity workers. That's what I say, whether they are young or they're old. Oh no, only Jah children shall be old. Oh yeah, trying to gain the world. Always fighting for his material things. Hey, no one is searching for the blessing. No, but I will forever praise him. So I say to Jah, I pray. And I will never be ungrateful to praise anyone else. Jah, I pray. Each and every man should have known themselves. Jah, I pray.
Rasa ota atayo. A wicked man will borrow, but he'll never repay no way. That's what the Bible says. A wicked man will borrow, but he'll never repay no way. Must meet them judgment day. Wicked man will borrow and he'll never repay no way. Tell them to go away. Cause judgment a come and the heathen have to run woe. Cause see the wicked them a run up and down. Judgment a come and the heathen have to run woe. Cause see the heathen them a run up and down. But don't you remember when you were down and out and out and out? Oh, I did my best just to help you out. Hey. And don't you I call when you were in your stress, that I did my best to help you out your mess. But now I'm on regret, cause you are walking that chat, how you're not paying back. Man, how you fit do that? How them fi say that? I work it them. Yeah. Oh no. Ota ata young. Some of them are gonna expound. Ota ata young. Never throw away your stick now after you cross the water. Cause you might wanna return back home. Hey. And don't you ever forget now the road you ever walk, my friend. Cause every road have a hand, every street have a bend. You might wanna walk again. Yes, every street have a hand, and every road have a bend. You might wanna walk again. Wicked man will borrow, but he'll never repay no way. That's what the Bible says. A wicked man will borrow, but he'll never repay.
And I saw an angel ascended from the east, having the seal of the living King, Emperor Haile Selassie I, the Most High. And he cried out with a loud voice, saying, oh, oh, it's a raggy road. The road is so rough. A raggy road. The road is so tough. A raggy road. Road is so rough. Raggy road. Yeah, we're loving. Treading this road for the longest while. I make a career, no for them want be soil. Hey. Treading this road for the longest while. I never you try papa fall another man coil. Treading this road for the longest while. A long time David House and them no stop till the soil. Treading this road for the longest while. And give away more than 1/10 of the spoil. Treading this road for the longest while. Until my lamb never run out child. This a one you have to read. Go tell them I'm not bargain, tell them I'm not deal.
Enough of them no want put them shoulder to the wheel. So them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal. All a try eat all another man heal. We no deaf, we no dumb, we no blind figure feel. One man was worthy to open the seal. Emperor Selassie, I know he's real. Babylon get trampled and a meal. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, the road is so tough. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, yeah, well I've been dragging this road for the longest while. Still make a way enough for them walk the soil. Hey, dragging this road for the longest while. I never yet try pop off all another man coil. Dragging this road for the longest while. A long time, the prophet and him no stop till the soil. Dragging this road for the longest while. And give away more than 1/10 of the spoil. Dragging this road for the longest while. Until my lung never run out of oil. Well, enough for them go get you overboard. Like Henry Morgan with the pirate code. Enough for them a trod up on corruption road. Enough for them a trod with Satan every lord. To them promote that them that feel reach and rouse. The bingy man a mangle, bingy man a pose. Bingy man a wear up them Babylon clothes. In a me turban and me Asian robe. Where them a conceal, we come fi expose the righteous works. No try oppose. I see judgment to take them evil episode. Judgment take them and then them explode. Well, it is a raggy road. The road is so rough. The raggy road. The road is so tough.
Live up, my sister. Oh boy. Live up, Rastaman. Live up. Live up in the light of our ever-living Jaja. Live up, Bongo man. Live up. And see our live light shine. It's your will. Live up, Rastaman. Live up. Exalt the creator of all living things. Live up, Bongo man. Live up. Live right and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. Well, Lord, upright and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. For unto he glory is to be. Well, no matter how the wicked try to compete, Lord God, for he's the conquering lion, and we are the children of Zion. So high liberty must identify with the King. Oh well, Rasta liberty must identify with the King. Live it up, oh well. Live up, my brother. Live up, my sister. Bongo man, Bingy man, Rasta man, Bobo man, Rasta man. Oh boy, well, chosen are we to carry on the chosen seed. Caesar be elect by His Majesty. Lord God. Through the power of Jaja, we've been chosen through our lineage to live the life our forefathers have greatly lived. Ooh, yeah. To live the life our forefathers have greatly lived. Ooh, live up, Rastaman, live up, upright in the light of our ever-living Jaja. Live up, Bingy man, live up, and see our live light shine. It's your will. Live up, Rastaman, live up, exalt the creator.
Being alive, man, we don't want to chest, man. Buju Banton on the case again. You reckon them some road boy? What you know coming around with things here?
This is your first and last
I am moving like a nuclear. DJ want to test me, only find a new gear. But you moving like a nuclear. DJ want to test me, only must be prepared. The big cake is here and Buju want him share. I know today, yesterday, neither last year. Long time in there, so you know me must prepare. I go and bust like a balloon in the atmosphere because me moving like a nuclear. DJ want to test me, only
must be prepared. I am moving like a nuclear. DJ drive to test me, wanna find a new gear. Wanna stay there, go and chat. Wanna stay there, go and talk. Not for wanna go and fi sit down and park. I go sell some orange on the sidewalk. Not for wanna in the business and just a skylark. Not for them a wheel, not for them a shark. Not for them done and do and go back. But I am moving like a nuclear. DJ drive to test me, then they must be prepared. Buju moving like a nuclear. DJ drive to test me, them have to find a new gear. Not to maga and slim and look trim. DJ coulda seen ya say him one clip me wing. I am lyrically fit, shocks and ting. Firm and stir like old time bed spring. Buju moving like a nuclear. DJ drive to test me, wanna to find a new gear. Cause I am moving like a nuclear. DJ drive to test me, then I must be prepared. Me mind long a maga, me heart fi conquer. Me no see no DJ fi run cross me border. I am cold. No matter take me fi full. On of the world, on the space, cause I'm maga man rule. I am humble, and I can also be nice. Give me fi me cake because me ready fi me slice. Buju moving like a nuclear. DJ try fi test me, on of the find a new gear. I am moving like a nuclear. DJ want fi test me, on the must be prepared. The big cake is here and me want my share. And I see the highest in there. Neither last year, long time me in the business, long time me want steer away. Bust like a balloon in the atmosphere. Cause a long time me dey, but that me well prepare. DJ try to test me, on to find a new gear. Cause I am moving like a nuclear. Make them know say Buju big and clear. Tell them me moving like a nuclear. Just make them know say Buju big.
Them can't have your prosperity. Shamaran say, and I not the word I say. You know nothing that the youth them say. What you say? Tell them willpower, strong mind, and ability. That's why they can't stop a youth like me. Willpower, strong mind, with no for militancy. Create of the life and the check of liberty. Certain thing in this world is impossible to me. Like to float like a butterfly and walk on the sea. But to defend my life, that is a possibility. And all juvenile education is the key. Willpower, strong mind, and ability. That's why they can't stop a youth like me. Willpower, strong mind, with no for militancy. And that me want every juvenile to carry. You living in the ghetto, life is not easy. With Mr. Poor and Miss Poverty. No night and day to be a deadly hungry. But never go on road and fatigue nobody. Me could not afford to lose the militancy. If willpower, strong mind, and ability. That's why they can't stop a youth like me. Willpower, strong mind, no for militancy. And every juvenile education is the key. You don't respect yourself, then I don't respect me. I know you're disrespecting your mommy and daddy. Who you to do full of no brilliancy, no militancy. So you can't talk to me. Me no buy your dance alone, them can't buy me for money. Them a be sure respect to my ability. Willpower, strong mind, and ability. And every ghetto youth, education is the key. World of youth, militant, let me show you universally. Trial is the testing of
don't know what to do. Baby, have I told you things wouldn't be so easy? I have a family and they're depending on me. I know you wish there was no one else. You don't have to tell me you want me for yourself, but commitments have got a hold on me. La la, commitment won't set me free. La la, commitment, why are you treating me so? Tell me, what have I done to you? Last night was good for what it's worth. My life needed such comfort. But don't go expecting too much of me. Hurt I don't want you to be.
treating me so? Tell me, what have I done to you? Want you, but I can't be with you. Can I live with this? Oh no, can I resist? My body's here, but my mind is there. Holding you close, loving you the most. Commitments have got a hold on me. Commitment won't set me free. No, commitment, why are you treating me so? Tell me, what have I done to you? Baby, last night was good for what it's worth. Hey, my life needed such comfort. But don't you go expecting too much of me, baby. Hurt I don't want you to be. Oh yeah, commitments have got a hold on me. Commitment won't set
out. Yes. Hey. Remember I told you not to leave me, girl. But you told me I was wrong to deceive you. Now you left me broken hearted. I'm crying in vain. Oh baby, I don't know just what to do. I'm so crazy for your loving. I wanna make you mine, till the end of time. I wanna give my love to you, baby, yeah. Wherever you are, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. My promise to you is I'll always be true. I will be right here waiting for you. I gave you everything a woman wants in life. I even gave you the world. I even tried to make you happy. I see your end with no wedding band, but I can still see where it's been. I see your heart all broken apart, wondering if he'll ever love you again. Till you and your lover are lovers again. All that you really need is a friend who's lonely like you, someone to fit in. Till you and your lover are lovers again. Oh yeah. Well, I'm just like you, not mostly I do. Listening to you while you're here, I'm almost afraid of talking this way, 'cause tonight I need a shoulder to cry on. Till you and your lover are lovers again. All that you really need is a friend who's lonely like you, someone to fit in. Till you and your lover are lovers. Till you and your lover are lovers again. All that you really need is a friend who's lonely like you, someone to fit in. Till you and your lover are lovers again. I do any and everything you want to make your girl say ooh ooh. Now she's so fly.
wanna get freaky. You could get mad if you want to, say whatever you want, but she still gon' give it up. She likes it my way, my way. You can't satisfy her need. She keeps running back to see me do it my way, my way. What I see, girl, and I'm in control. Check me, if it's your girl who let me take it this far, and ooh-wee. Now she's taking every chance that she could get. Now you think you're a baller, and I'm gon' call her. With that, you could get mad if you want to, say whatever you want, but she still gon' give it up. She likes it my way, my way. You can't satisfy her need. She keeps running back to see me do it my way, my way. What I see, girl, and I'm in control. Them need me, 'cause I'm in a town and country. Girl, them screaming, Tony. Now them taking every chance that they could get. Now them want a real baller, Antoinette and Paula. Check that, you can get mad if you want to, say whatever you want, but they still gon' give it up. She likes it my way, my way. You can't satisfy her needs. She keeps running back to see me do it my way, my way.
Me all a walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me have the thing where you are weapon. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, how will you get it from? Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, why? Buju would be more than dead to take your hand and lead you to the promised land. Me 20-foot dive on, all you got to do is be true, so let's go respond. Satisfy your emotion. Hotter for the press, instantly she bust. She no old and tough, and she no got time no rust. Things smooth and precious like she never get a cut. Once on to expand, I've got to all and pull up. Giddy up, me I forget you is a mouse. Think I walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, can tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me everything. But up on a car, you no look for them way. You look good enough against no matter what I can say. Put on your clothes, it's like a display. Man, I swear and I steer about night and day. Would you be my honey and the woman lay? We can just smile on her face and say, she want a man for do the work, not one for play. I'm a rattan man, she says she want one for stay. I'm Buju wanna walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me got the thing where you want wait man. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, girl, how will you get it from? Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, why? I sing, oh man, I want to settle down, really start to fly to all you look, I come to one conclusion. Wow, you supposed to know the work, supposed to full of action. Music are playing your ways and respect. Non-stop sticking just like a time bomb. I do every man want slam, but you want another walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of body, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me got the thing where you want wait man. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, girl, how will you get it from? Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, cry. I'm Buju will be more than kind to take your hand and lead you to the promised line. Be 20-foot dive.
You're the best DJ, yeah. Under the great moonlight, we all come together as one. Taking in the music in the cool night air, everyone is having fun. Say you forget your troubles, just reggae music on your mind. Dancing till the morning comes, some are drinking champagne and wine. So we no want no bad feeling in the dance hall tonight. Lord, we no want no fussing or fighting. Let everything be alright. Oh, what a joy down there. Everyone a shout out hip hip hooray. People just a jump to the big sound a play. This a sound carry all the best DJ, yeah. I've seen it so many times, how we turn a good thing bad.
Lord knows when it happens, oh, it really makes me mad. Cause if we're here for the music, then the people shouldn't have to run. Now that we're together, come and let us have some fun. Cause we don't want no bad feeling in the dance hall tonight. Lord, we don't want no fussing or fighting. Let everything be alright. Oh, what a joy down there. Everyone a shout out hip hip hooray. People just a jump to the big sound a play. This a sound it carry all the best DJ, yeah. Oh, what a joy down there. Everyone a shout out hip hip hooray. People just a jump to the big sound a play. This a sound it carry all the best DJ, yeah. Say under the great moonlight, we all come together as one. Taking in the music in the cool night air, everyone is having fun. I say we forget our troubles, cause reggae music on our minds. Dancing till the morning come, some are drinking champagne and wine. So we no want no bad feelings in the dance hall tonight. Lord, we no want no fussing or fighting. Let everything be alright. Lord, what a joy down there. Everyone a shout out hip hip hooray.
All the time for look behind me, just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, man, all the time for look behind me, just a head to the top and tell them this, that we're living in a world full of struggle and strife, where the weak fade away, but the strong will survive. Suffocation and oppression, in our eyes every day we have to struggle if me want to stay alive. Let me pick up the Bible, cause Psalm 75 verse 7 make me open me. I realize that one star got down, the next one arise. So me now give up, me keep me eye on the prize and moving up the line. Now go look behind me, just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, me now no time for look behind me, just a head to the top and tell them this, that we're living in a world full of temptation, where the things them were nice and the things them were wrong. To most get a youth where you walk pan Milan, you know the greatest thing is when I gun in a man. But youth, pause a while, think about your action, and then you come to a sensible conclusion. You have to secure your future, set up a plan, cause you have your own destiny in your hands. So keep moving up the line. Now go look behind me, just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, me now no time for look behind me, just a head to the top and tell the world that we're living in a world of pure corruption. From the preacher come down to the politician, where everybody have the same intention, just to scrape and collect everything in all them. But still me now go sit down and watch another man. Me not stretch me and feel no donation, because me full up of dreams and aspiration. You know me not stop move till me reach number one. So keep moving up the line. Now go look behind me, just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, me now no time for look behind me, just a head to the top. Fucked up I say that we living in a world full of struggle and strife, where the weak fade away but the strong will survive. Suffocation and oppression, they in our eyes every day we have to struggle if me want to stay alive. But me pick up the Bible, cause Psalm 75 verse 7 make me open me I realize, as one star go down that's how the next one arise. So me nah give up, me keep me eye on the prize. Right, I'm moving up the line. Now go look behind me, just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, me nah no time for look behind me, just a head to the top. I say that we're living in a world full of temptation, where the things them were nice and the things them were wrong. To most get a youth where you walk on the land, you know the greatest thing is when I gun in a man. But youth, pass a well, think about your action, and then you come to a sensible conclusion. You have to secure your future, set up a plan, cause you have your own destiny in your hands. So keep moving up the line, nobody look behind, no for head to the top until victory is mine. Up the line, me now go look behind me, just a head to the top and tell them that I'm living in a world of pure corruption. From the preacher come down to the politician, where everybody have the same intention, just to scrape and collect everything in a man. But tell me, now I go sit down, watch another man Spragga not stretch a man, finna do a nation, because me full up a dream, me have aspiration. Me now go stop move till me reach number one. So I'm moving up the line, I now go look behind, I just a head to the top until victory.